How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancy Man back with another video. And today I'll be reviewing some Type C portable chargers in my first segment called Tech You Didn't Know You Needed. I know that's long. Actually, it should be Tech Accessories You Didn't Know You Needed. Alright. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video. And as always, I encourage you guys to drop your comments below, and I'll respond back to you at my earliest convenience. Alright, let's get into it. So first, we have the iWalk Link Me 4, and then the I guess this is the 7109 power bank mini magnet. Okay, let's go with the iWalk first. Alright, I've already opened these and kind of fooled around with them. I didn't want to be too in the dark with how they operated, but for the most part they're just portable chargers, but they Type C, which is major. Most phones are Type C nowadays. Alright, so in this one we got the device itself. Comes with a Type C charger. I'm gonna guess this is probably about, oh, it's fairly long. That's how long it is folded. So it's about 3 feet long. Alright. What is this? Customer care. And instructions. Alright. So for the device itself, on this side, it's your power button. Tap it, show you how much power you got, judging by the dots lit up. As you can see, it's full, 3 dots. Alright, on this side is a Type C outlet and some small print information. Alright, so let's pop it on. Pretty straightforward. There it is. See the charger icon. One thing I did want to test, see if they were, I know they didn't advertise it, but I want to check it anyway to see if they were fast charging. Let's see here. And no, they're not fast charging. Okay. Not fast charging, but like I said, I read that and I didn't see fast charging, so it's not a deal breaker. This is definitely in case of emergency and you can't get anywhere to charge your phone. Okay, but as you can see right there at the very top, cable charge an hour and 34 minutes till it's full. Alright, if it was fast charging, it would say fast charging. For an hour and 30 minutes, and I'm at 32% at the moment, so kind of do the math yourself. Of course, it adds a little weight to it. It's a pretty heavy battery on the inside of here. But again, it's for an emergency, so this is what it looks like. It's charging, and this is on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So. Alright, not bad, not bad. If you're interested in buying either one of the devices, try to comment below and I'll send you the link back directly to the device itself. Alright, oh, I'm sorry, before it's charging it, you just plug this in, right, and you plug this in into wall socket, but we're going to use my portable charger. And the LED lights will light up indicating that it's charging. It's simple. Okay. On to the next one. Alright, y'all. So for this one, 709 power bank mini magnet. So as you see by the box, you got different adapting pieces, charger devices, micro USB, lightning, and type C. Alright. Let's check this one out. So this one comes with a charging cable. It's made for interchangeable pieces, lightning, type C, micro USB. So you can charge pretty much any device. Alright. Already comes with a lanyard on it. That's your power button right here. Alright. Full bar. Indicated by the 4 LEDs lit up. Oh, can you see that? Can't see that. There you can see it. There it is. Alright. So let's each piece is magneted on. That's a pretty strong magnet as well. Let's see. Whoa. Let's pop on the type C. Alright. Look at this. That is strong. Let's pop it on the device. Start charging right up. Now my concern with this one was by it being a magnet, but it's on there. I mean, you would have to be trying to shake it loose, for it to come off. Because naturally, it's going to come off, or it's not going to stick like the iWalk device. Okay. But if you just put it on there, you can still use your phone. It's not going to just fall off. So my battery's at 32% at the moment. And as you can see right here, indicating right at the top right there, cable charging, 1 hour and 52 minutes. So kind of gives you an idea how slow these devices are. Again, this is only for an emergency. If you can't get to a wall charger, or you're in a long car ride and somebody else is using the charger through the cigarette lighter, or if you can't get to your large portable, this is a cool device for that. Or these are cool devices for that. Okay? Alright, folks. Appreciate you guys watching my video. Again, this is the iWalk Type C portable charger. This was a 709 power bank mini magnet. You can find both of these devices on Amazon. Again, if you're interested in them, please drop a comment below letting me know, and I'll send you the link back. Alright. These are cool though. These are cool. Easily fit in your pocket. Okay, real quick guys. Sorry, I forgot to show you how to charge the mini magnet power bank. So you just take this in. It's the same end you can use for the different attachments. And you can actually plug it into the wall. The magnetic strength is just as strong. Alright. Just put it on right. So it works as a regular charger. You can just plug it in from there. But to charge the power bank, snap it on to this side here, like that. Take this in, put it into a power source. In this case, I'm using a bigger power bank. And there it is. It's charging.
All right.